Zubair.
Yes, I have gone through the I have been I had started my entrepreneurial journey maybe 25 years ago, or
Wonderful.
25, or I think 30 years ago. I'm not sure about that. And Alhamdulillah, whatever you presented in the AI, I was doing it on a piece of paper and in my mind, and it not as organized as what you have done, but very similar. And mashallah, it has been done in a very good way that it is organized. Once it was organized, then I had to spend time and putting it on PowerPoint or something like that. This is done and very structured way, so it is amazing. But I have moved from being entrepreneur to a private equity, right?
Awesome.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. I'm so grateful to God for that one, that I've
Wonderful.
been through that process, and my objective is now to help the entrepreneurs to succeed, right? Not only with the money, but I think a little bit of experience that I have gained over a period of time, right? So
Sure.
my question here is that the how it is helpful for me. Yeah, this is good for me. I can explore some ideas and then find an entrepreneur, but normally I'm not doing it. So as a private equity person, number one, getting to find entrepreneurs, yes, this is a very good thing. But how can I get funding for my projects, the next round, the series B, series C, this type of thing? And then also business expansion. Sometimes you need help with business expansion. You don't need help with just the money, okay. You want
True.
to grow in this area, then you find someone who has experience of that area, and then you can work with them to see what is the best approach. So this is a thing that I want to understand, how this platform will help me in getting my objective. I mean, yes, I'm not saying I'm a big guy and I cannot start a new business right now, but I can and I should. But I'm being reluctant now because this PE journey is so captivating for me that I want to stick with that.
Sure. No, absolutely. Absolutely. No, oh, great. Thanks for sharing your thoughts and then posting the question. So, one on the platform, right? Let me address this from an investor standpoint, right? You get a quality access to the pipeline, opportunities, startups,
Yes.
validators, structure, right?
Yes.
The current way of due diligence is too expensive or too long, and it's not
Yeah.
comprehensive, right? You can do a due diligence comprehensively on your fingertips and decide to invest, right?
Yeah.
The third, portfolio management you talked about, right? See, in the past, VCs, investors, you have to have thesis, you got to have people, you have to have domain knowledge, you have to know everything. Thanks to AI today, right? It's democratized, right? Doesn't matter. You go invest in 100 verticals in 20 different markets, right?
Yeah.
AI is your first line of defense to support the entrepreneur. And obviously, it cannot be replaced the human contribution, right? The good
Mm.
news is the
Mm.
platform can speak the language. So in other words, you as an
Mm.
investor, doesn't matter whether know the entrepreneurs, right? So all those barriers are removed. So what I mean is that through the structured approach, repeatability, scalability, and an entire life cycle of your investment journey, finding, validating, investing, portfolio, exit, all that is possible today. And you can take this in your own brand, as you saw, right? We are more like Intel Inside or NVIDIA today. You can be HP, Lenovo, Dell, or IBM, or Accenture, transforming your ecosystem. So all that made possible in the platform. Now,
Yeah.
how do entrepreneurs access the ventures, right? So on the platform, there are, we have many angel investors. We are now in the process of validating, onboarding early stage investors as well. See, I think in my view, money is not an issue. I think there is plenty of money available. Only problem, and obviously we have great entrepreneurs, great ideas being built. I guess the investability, right? I think that the gap, hopefully that's what we're trying to solve. Ensure that their readiness, investability, and bring them together, so that actually both are looking, right? I have an
Mm.
idea, startup, I'm looking
Mm.
for investor. I'm ready to be invested, right? Or I have money. I'm an investor. I need to
Mm.
find the right entrepreneur problem, who are solving the problem, right? So hopefully that we will fill that gap. So Zubair,
Yeah.
hopefully that helped.